This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming the exact Motorola model and Android version so you know which menu labels you'll see. Once done, go straight to Settings and Open Apps, then select the Voice Recorder app. Alternatively, launch the Voice Recorder app itself. Make sure microphone permissions are reviewed. If you only want playback, revoke recording permission. Also, check any background recording or always-on options, and turn them off now so you don't record unintended audio later. Now focus on the recorder's internal audio cues. Open the Recorder app settings and locate sections labeled Sound, Feedback, or Audio. You'll toggle off options like Record Sound, Shutter Sound, or Audio Feedback. This stops in-app click or beep noises. If the app lacks those toggles, make sure to switch the phone to Silent or enable Do Not Disturb. Some Motorola builds route UI feedback through system sounds, so muting system volume effectively suppresses recording noises. Finish by restarting your Motorola to ensure all permission and sound changes take effect. Then make a quick test recording and play it back to confirm there's no unwanted beep or chirp. If you still hear sounds, clear the Voice Recorder app cache and storage, then test again. Make sure the app and system software are updated. As a last resort, backup data and perform a factory reset. This resolves stubborn OS-level sound routing issues when nothing else works.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.